Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm getting really bad at doing intros, so this is what you're going to get for now. Hopefully I'll be back in it later, but I'm going to show you these free and very inexpensive fall DIYs to make. You are going to need 3 pieces of wood, or I guess as many as you want. I got this pumpkin orange acrylic paint, some leaves and some twine, and a stick. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to paint these pieces of wood orange because we are going to make some cute little pumpkins out of them. And this was so simple and so easy to make, and the paint dried rather quickly even though I painted and just threw it on its backside. So I was really excited, and I did not get any paint on the carpet, luckily, because we had some awesome Amazon box that I was able to paint on. And I'm so sorry that my background is not beautiful, but you guys, this is real life and this is how I craft. I love doing everything on the floor, and I will just take a box we get in the mail or whatever and I will just paint on it and then I just toss it in the garbage. So this is just how life works at our house. And once the orange paint is done, I'm just taking this dark wax, and it's called Antique Wax. I got this at Walmart. It was only $1.97, and I have used it so many times. And I just take a paper towel and I just get a little bit on, and I kind of distress these a little bit. I think this looks so good, and it is such an easy method to distress something without actually having to take sandpaper and sanding it, or even like painting and then painting over it. And I think this just looks really good, and I barely use any, and it looks like I use a lot, but I will probably have this for like 50 years before I actually use the whole entire thing. But that is all I'm doing with this, and then that is it for the painting. I just did the front side with the wax, and that's really all I needed because the back side nobody is going to see, but I think these look so cute. And then I just broke my stick in half, or not in half, but I just broke my stick to make these little stems, and I'm using A6000 and hot glue to secure these. I did let this dry for quite a few hours, and I didn't care how much glue was all over because in the end I'm just going to wrap them with twine. So you're going to see glue all over the tops of it, and I really didn't care because, like I said, it was going to be covered anyways. So I'm just adding little tiny sticks to all 3 of these just to make cute little stems.
You shake your head in full denial of the truth. Didn't get a chance to say it loud. Your secrets kept you pushing down, disavow. When he was knocking on your door, nobody got in.
And I let the glue dry for about 4 or 5 hours, and then now I'm just going to wrap twine around the top. I'm not doing the whole entire thing, but you totally could, but I just did the bottom part, and I thought that looked really cute anyways. And then that is it. So yeah, I'm just going to add twine around all 3 of them, and then I'm going to add those little green leaves. I purchased all these from the Dollar Tree, so I got the leaves and the twine from the Dollar Tree, but I already had everything left over from a different project, so this was actually completely free for me to do. But if you did decide to do this, it would only be $2 to get a pack of leaves and a pack of twine from the Dollar Tree. This is so cute and so inexpensive to make, and I was really excited on how these turned out. And I ended up using the same leaves for all 3 of them because, like me, I just like everything really simple and really easy, and I just really liked the color leaves that this one was. And that is it, you guys. Like I said, this is a very simple, inexpensive, easy craft, so I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Now when you're screaming for a hand, nobody's listening.